What's the meaning of clickstream? Clickstream. Clickstream.
Clickstream. Clickstream. A clickstream refers to the record of a user's clicks and browsing behavior on a website or online platform. It includes information such as which pages were visited, how long they were viewed, and any actions taken, such as clicking on links or making purchases. Analyzing clickstream data can provide insights into user behavior, preferences, and overall website performance. This information can be used to optimize website design, improve user experience, and increase conversions. Clickstream data is typically collected through web analytics tools and can be analyzed using various statistical and machine learning techniques.